Meaning of hither.
hither,
Hither.
hither,
Hither. Hither is an adverb that means to or toward this place. It is used to indicate movement that is directed towards the speaker or the location they are currently occupying. The word has an archaic quality to it and is not commonly used in contemporary speech or writing. Its usage is typically reserved for more formal or literary settings. In summary, hither is a word that indicates movement towards the speaker or their current location, but its usage is not very common in modern-day English.